Raise your hand if you do not have $700 to spend on filler, but you would still like some juicy lips. I am using the Freck Beauty Lip Liner shade 03. What you're going to do is, okay, you see here these two highest points of my Cupid bow, right? We got those. Ignore them and just draw straight across the top of those 2 points. Like it's an instant lip flip. What's so great about this shade, it's like lip liner and lip contour all in one. And if you've never contoured your lips, that's what really gives you juicy lips. Next, we're going to start on this inner corner and go along the outside of our natural lip line. Same thing over here, outside. Next, let's draw us some little butt cheeks. So find the middle, right around here, and draw your little cheeks. Cheek, cheeky, 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 done. Connect that to the corner. Connect that to this corner. It looks a little something like this. Bobbi Brown Lilac. I love this shade for like that just bitten kind of look. Yes, puffy, juicy, bold, big, and it was like $40 instead of $700. So try it.